Hello, dear students. Today we will discuss India and its other neighbors. And you have to watch this video completely. So, let's start our topic. As we know, Indian government and the government of Bangladesh both had some differences over several issues like sharing of water of Ganga and Brahmaputra rivers, some boundary issues regarding the land territories, and issues of immigration are the main point over which the governments of India and Bangladesh have some conflicts. India is blaming Bangladesh for illegal immigration and for not exporting natural gas to India and for not giving access to Indian army to go to the eastern states of India through Bangladesh. So these are some points which are narrated from the side of India, and on the other hand, Bangladesh has also some claims. Bangladesh claims that India want to extract the natural resources of Bangladesh, and it also blamed India for increasing rebellion in Chittagaon Hill tracts. So in this way, both of these countries, India and Bangladesh, had some differences. But despite their differences, India and Bangladesh also have very cordial relationship. Both the countries are engaged in several agreements, cooperation, and they are doing their well for improving their relations. So, India included Bangladesh in its Look East policy since 2014, and India wants to link Myanmar through Bangladesh, and India also had some army exercises with Bangladesh, and so many other agreements are also signed. And land dispute is also dissolved with the 100th amendment in Indian Constitution, and with that 100th amendment in Indian Constitution, India and Bangladesh exchanged the disputed land area to each other, and the issue was solved. So, in short, we can say now India and Bangladesh are in cordial and friendly relationship. Next neighbor is Nepal. From the very beginning or from the ancient history, India and Nepal are enjoying the best relationships, one of the best relationships in the world, and both the countries are helping each other. But uh, on the other hand, they have some differences. And one more important thing is that both the country, India and Pakistan, Nepal, are enjoying the status of visiting each other's country territory without visas. It means due to the good relations between India and Nepal, the citizens of India and Nepal both are able to visit India and Nepal without visas. So this is the sign of good indication, good relations between India and Nepal. But when we talk about the differences, disputes, then some issues are there like issue of unstable government in Nepal, And in Nepal, Maoist, that is also called Naxalist, are also involved in anti-India movement, and Naxal movements are also witnessed in India, in some parts of Bihar and Andhra Pradesh. So this is a threat to Indian security. And on the other hand, we also we or India has also some claims against the increasing or deepening relationship between Nepal and China. So these are some disputes. On the other hand, India and Nepal has fair, stable and peaceful relations, and India is also helping Nepal and also undertaking some projects for the development of Nepal. And the difficulties in the relationship between the governments of India and Sri Lanka are mostly over ethnic conflicts in island nation. We had also studied that Indian Tamils migrated from India to Sri Lanka and settled there. And the ethnic conflict was witnessed in Sri Lanka, and that was especially created by Singhala community in India. But whenever anything wrong is done to the Tamils in Sri Lanka, then India cannot avoid this issue regarding Tamil citizens. So there are some differences between India and Sri Lanka on the issue of Tamils, and some movements were also undertaken by India, but Indian peaceful forces were thrown out of Sri Lanka in 1987. And there was also issue of Litte. So when the Litte organization was dispelled from Sri Lanka, since then both the countries are enjoying better relationships, and at current India is also developing port in Sri Lanka, and it also providing help to Sri Lanka. And in this way, the relationship between India and Sri Lanka are deepened, especially after the happening of tsunamis. And when we talk about Bhutan, then India and Bhutan are in the best relationships in the world. Bhutanese government is making its effort, or we can say the efforts made by the Bhutanese monarch to weed out the guerrillas and militants from the northeastern India that operate in his country have been helpful India. Means the monarch of Bhutan rooted out guerrillas who were operating their activities from the northeast part of India, and it was done by the Bhutan army. So India and Bhutan has have very cordial relations, and India is also developing hydroelectric projects in Bhutan, and India has been the biggest source of development add to Bhutan. And when we talk about some other island countries like Maldives, India is also supporting a lot to Maldives, and both of these countries are enjoying good relationship. And whenever Maldives is in any problem, India helps with quick response. And there is one incident that took place in 1988 when Tamil mercenaries from Sri Lanka attacked the Maldives, and then on the request of Maldives, Indian Navy and Indian Air Force reacted quickly and helped Maldives to take over those mercenary attack. And in this way, Maldives freedom was protected by India. And both of these countries are helping each other, especially India to Maldives, and India is also developing tourism, fisheries, and Iceland's economy. And you may have noticed that India has various problems with smaller neighbors in the region, because this is because the geographical location of India, and it is also due to the size of India. India is the country of Southeast Asia which is sharing the border of sharing the border with maximum countries like Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Bhutan, China, and it is also connected with water to Sri Lanka and Maldives. So it is due to geographical location of India, but it is not only with India. Some other countries also have some conflicts, like Nepal and Bhutan. Both are indulged in some conflicts on the issue of migration of people from Nepal to Bhutan, and Bangladesh and Myanmar also engaged in some conflict on the issue of Rohingya Muslims, which are migrated from Bangladesh to Myanmar, respectively. So both of these countries, Nepal and Bhutan, as well as Bangladesh and Myanmar, have some conflicts between them, but even then, they are enjoying good relationships with each other, and they are also helping each other. So in this way we can say India established good relationship with its neighbors, and we studied this. And in next class we will study peace and cooperation. So thank you students for watching this video.